In the world of sailing, storms test your skills, your courage, and sometimes your camera equipment.
Unfortunately, this time the weather wasn't the only thing that failed us.
This is the story of our race south to escape Hurricane Beryl. A journey undertaken with barely a weather window, and as it turns out, without a working microphone.
So now you're about to witness a sailing video
Like no other!
Imagine all the drama, tension and high seas adventure.
And now imagine us dubbing over the whole thing, possibly with a drink in hand, creating our own sound effects and guessing what we were saying to each other as the pressure mounted.
We call it post-production chaos, and honestly, might just be our best work yet.
So sit back, enjoy the squally ride and prepare yourself for the most unique, unscripted sailing video you'll ever see. Spoiler alert, there's drama, there's even a death.
Because when the mic dies, creativity comes alive. There's a big storm. There's a big storm coming right now. Yeah.
It does look big.
Yeah, there's a big storm.
What are we going to do, Tony? I mean, it keeps getting bigger on the map, but it's only one forecast so far. Peace! We are leaving Beckway because there's something on the horizon and it looks like it could be bad. So we're off. We've got no weather window and we've got no food. We've got no food, Tony. I don't want to get hungry.
Oh, don't worry about that.
Stay talking.
Oh.
This was Nav's part.
Sorry. What's that sound?
Something exciting is happening. We caught a fish.
Oh, looks like a big one. Oh, definitely a big one.
It's big.
Whoa! That sounds like a drill on the end.
Big fish, little fish, cardboard box.
Oh,
stab it in the head and put it in a pot. Woo!
God, it feels big.
Feels big. Oh, good, because we got no food. Because we just ran.
Oh, it's a big one. It's definitely a big one. No doubt.
He's confident.
100%.
What is it?
One.
Is it a tuna? Is it a mahi?
No, it's bigger.
Is it a wahoo?
No.
It's a wanu.
It's a hairy fish.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Sea salad. Shame.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a hairy fish. Oh, Dad, you'll go.
Ooh, feet. Big wave. That was close.
What was that?
We're only going at 4.59 knots, so that's not going very fast. It's essentially I don't know, it's a slow jog really. Not going to get south very fast. Any hurricanes will be hitching a ride with us at this rate. We didn't get a fish either. I'm starving, Tony.
No, it was hairy.
I've got a salad instead. Salty salad. Not impressed. Not impressed at all, Tony.
God, it's pretty dark, pretty quick. Just looking at myself in the red. God, I look weird. Anyway, we're going south. Brownie had a hairy fish earlier. She didn't like it. She hated me for it. So now I'm on night watch. What's that ahead? Anyway, yeah, I'm just talking to the camera right now. Oh, yep.
Peace. Twinkling lights.
So we're going here. And that is probably about it. That's all we need to know. We're just going around this red dot. If you can see it, it is there. Oh, look at the top of the mast. Oh, Bryony's sleeping. She's maybe on night watch. She had way too much food earlier. And she's up.
I'm up. It's dark. Oh, look at me. I've got red face too. So, looked at the latest forecast. It's worse than before. In fact, they all show it as bad now. Getting bigger. We're not used to this type of thing.
Bryony, shut up. I'm trying to sleep.
Oh, sorry, Tony. You started waffling on about your red face. It's my turn now. Got to keep the viewers happy. We've got Patreon, by the way. If anyone wants to support. Twinkling lights.
Oh, what's that? Oh shit! Bloody hell, that sounds dangerous ahead. If you look ahead, there's some weird sounding stuff, and I'm not too sure what it is, but yeah, we've been listening to this all night. It sounds really close, so it looks like there's some squalls ahead. Might be a bit dangerous, not sure. Jesus Christ! That's really close.
Tony got me up. Said he was scared. It's a good thing I'm hearing it. So you can see all the squalls coming our way. We've seen worse. Have you watched our Atlantic crossing? You should if you haven't. And yeah, there's a boat ahead as well.
God. It looks shocking out there. Bryony, get on the helm. Bryony, get on the helm. Sounds terrible. Can't believe that's what the rain sounds like. Bryony, you can get on the helm now.
Okay, I'm coming. Everybody be quiet, we've got a good tune coming up.
Across the hazy moon, through the ocean vast, the ships are closing in, mist will turn to dust. Beyond the murky cloud, the story will unfold. The dragon of the horizon, history untold. Almighty gods of war, lead us fame and glory. We shall be victorious. All will know our story.
Oh no, casualty. Flying fish. If I throw it over that way, the wind will blow it back in my face, Tony. Ah! Oh dear. Not sure that fish will be flying again today. Had a casualty. First aid kit couldn't fix that bit. It's wet! It's windy! At least I'm not dead though. Oh! Dolphins! Tony, look at them! They're jumping.
They look
they're
amazing.
Splashing. They look good.
They look amazing.
Oh, I'm just so glad that I've got the camera in this moment in time.
Look at that one.
Oh no, they're going
There's a
in.
special
Oh
one.
no, Tony, I left the lens cap on.
Oh, you missed a special one.
Oh, I've missed the dolphins. Sad times.
Bryony, why did you do that?
Sorry about that. Another school coming, so Tony's doing the normal and having a cup of tea in advance.
Yeah, nothing like a good cuppa.
Hoping for some sort of miracle. Maybe less squalls. Or maybe a squall where the microphone finally fixes itself.
Currently lightning.
We do what we always do when there's lightning.
Yeah, run away.
Come down here and hide. It's not too windy, and the autopilot seems to be coping, thankfully.
Yeah, so it's died down a little bit. Well, the wind has died down a little bit, but yeah, there was a couple of lightning strikes,
So we hid.
so we hid just to make sure that it goes over us,
Not through us,
Yep.
into us.
any of that.
Yeah, it's our least favourite thing, really, when it comes to the weather by far. Oh, maybe it's just after that Malta scare. Doesn't want to focus on me, Tony, don't worry. I haven't brushed my hair or cleaned my teeth, so there ain't much to look at. Oh, no, it is just me. My eyes itch every time there's lightning and thunder. It always makes my eyes itch. And I presumed it was like the difference in like the pollen dispersion that I know it can cause like a hay fever response, but I'm on the ocean right now and it still does it, so apparently not. But oh, that itches heck. Hopefully it'll be over soon. Can't wait to get there. The last bit's always drag. We've got like 20 nautical miles-ish left. You got the Q flag.
What?
You got the Q flag.
Yeah.
all in the pocketses. Bilbo Baggins. It's a hell of a coastline. If we thought the filming disasters were over, we're wrong. This one's on me. Sorry, guys. It's a massive turtle. I thought I saw its head. Whoa, look at it! Dude! That's a dinosaur! Ooh. I don't know if the camera showed that at all. Wasn't that huge?
It was pretty big, yeah.
That was, I was like, is that a head? Then I was like, oh no, I can't see any head now. It's an upside down, I thought it was like an upside down little rowing boat thing with the shape of it.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I had the other lens on. I just thought to zoom in, all the excitement. I'll try and zoom in to what I can for you. It'll be blurry. That was big. That was ginormous. What sort was it? I'll see if I can find out.
Currently going through that gap. That's where we're aiming for, where that boat's going into. There is a gap there. Quite a few masts over there.
That'll be one more.
That's be one more.
the Coast Guard stopped us to check all our paperwork. They took the whole folder and went off with it. We just sat there in the middle of the water like, what's going on? They were fine, they're very nice. And then yeah, they were happy for us to come around this corner. We're going to anchor Pelican! Pelican! It's beautiful. Really pretty. But yeah, let's anchor. Anchor we did, relieved but still nervous as to what was yet to come. It was already busy in Trinidad, but this Anchorage is about to get much busier. Because that weather system turns into Hurricane Beryl, record-breaking in many ways, and the next day was shown to be dipping even lower, due to hit the Grenadian Islands. That next day also saw hundreds of boats fleeing down to right where we were anchored. Next week sees us anxiously hurricane prep, including having an anchoring problem, very ill-timed, and, admittedly, some emotions.
I'm a little bit frightened.
Watch as we get tickled by a hurricane, and see those who got more than tickled. But it's after that, the devastation, that the real work begins. We'll see you there.